back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing everything that I got in my very first Grove Collaborative order. If you're unfamiliar with Grove Collaborative and who they are, basically they carry all natural cleaning supplies. So you don't have to worry so much about the chemicals that you're putting into your home because they strive to have the most natural cleaning products. So whenever you order from Grove Collaborative your first time, you actually can get a bunch of things for free. So I actually got quite a bit of these things for free. So I'm really excited about that. And if you end up liking some of these products I share with you, I do have a link below that will get you a 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's cleaning set for free on your first order. So you could have your cleaning products delivered straight to your door every month or every 2 months or 3 months or how often you want it, or you can just go on there and order it whenever you need it. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing because I do a ton of cleaning motivation on my channel, lots and lots of cleaning videos. So this video is a little different, but that's because I'm going to be sharing with you some of the products that I'm going to be using from now on in my cleaning videos. So I'm so excited to give them a try, and definitely you'll want to get subscribed if you want to see me try out these cleaning products throughout my channel in all of my cleaning videos. So I'm going to go ahead and just share what I actually got. So I'm not going in any particular order, but the first thing I'll start with is this dish brush, and actually this was entirely free with my order, and it has a replaceable head, which is really nice. So whenever it wears out, you can just get a new head and you can keep the handle, which is solid wood. So I think that is a nice touch. The next thing I got for free was these walnut scrubber sponges. So they're all natural, non-abrasive, and perfect for use on cookware, glassware, countertops, and appliances. And they're top rack dishwasher safe. There's 2 of them in here. One side is this brown color, the hard scrubby part, and the other side is the soft white color. The next thing that I got for free, you get this for free when you spend $39, I believe, and it's called a Bubble Up soap dispenser and dish brush set. So let me show you how that works. This says made with renewable bamboo, recycled plastic, and a replaceable brush. This Bubble Up is kind to the planet and tough on messes. And it's actually a dispenser. So how it works is you have this wooden brush or glass bowl, and inside is like this little thing on a spring, and it has the little holes in it. So I believe you put soap down here, and then whenever you want to scrub something like your sink, you just tap this in here and it suds up, bubbles up, and then you can just scrub away. And then another thing that I got for free, being a first time order, is this stoneware tray, which I really did want because I've seen everyone using them and I really wanted this. So this is made from stone, and it just says Grove at the very top, Grove Collaborative. And I think this would look so nice if you just set that on your bathroom counter or even at your kitchen counter with your soap on it. So, and I believe they'll give this free on your first order, or if you spend like a certain amount. So that's another thing I got for free. As you can see, I got a lot for free. Okay, let's get into the actual cleaning products. And this is the Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli, and I think I'm saying that right. It's a countertop spray, and I hear that this stuff smells incredible. So let's take a smell. Yeah, that does smell really nice, really fresh. The next thing is the Caldrea, also the same fragrance, sea salt neroli, and this is the dish soap. And I got 2 of these. And actually keep in mind as you're watching this, because I'm actually going to be giving about half of this stuff away in my cleaning videos. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you're not, because I'm going to be giving this stuff away. Like a lot of this stuff I'm going to be trying and giving away. And that's why I ordered multiple ones. So I actually got one for free, and then I got a second one to give away. And these dish soaps are about $10, so they're much more expensive than Mrs. Meyer's. Mrs. Meyer's is only like $3 and some change, so which is more reasonable. But I really wanted to get something, I don't know, I wanted to try the Caldrea, and I wanted to give it away too. So just keep that in mind. The next thing I got is Mrs. Meyer's room freshener, and this is in the scent Honeysuckle. I've heard a lot of good things about that scent. Yeah, that's really nice. It does smell like honeysuckle. Growing up, we had a lot of honeysuckle, so we just smell that on our property whenever we were outside. So yeah, I think that's gonna bring back a lot of good memories of that. But yeah, I cannot wait to try this out. And I got 2 of those, so you'll probably see a giveaway coming up. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Removes dirt, freshens surfaces. So I think it's just like a multi-purpose cleaner, and I plan to use it like for dusting my surfaces and that kind of thing, and it smells so good. So I'm so excited about having some fresh scents in the home, and hopefully, since they are more natural in their products, I won't be as allergic to them as I am a lot of synthetic fragrances. They do have perfume in them, but yeah, we'll see. And then I also got a second one of those. I wanted to try out the 7th generation disinfecting multi-surface cleaner. Kills 99.99% of germs, and this is in the lemongrass citrus scent. Actually, I think that's the only scent they have. So I plan to use this on anything that I want to kill the germs. So like probably on the toilet, maybe in the bathroom, sinks, that kind of thing. So yeah, I've heard really good things about this. And then I'm really excited about this because I cannot stand Windex. But Windex cleans the windows and the mirrors so well. So I was using Norwex, but Norwex was not getting the hard water spots off very well, so I ended up going back to Windex at times. Or I'll just use dish soap on the mirrors, honestly, which works pretty good. But when I saw the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, I had to try it. So I'm super excited to try this out, and it is in the mint scent. They also have a scent called Waterfall, which I was super tempted to try. I was back and forth on which one to try, but I saw most people on YouTube were using this one, so I went ahead and played it safe. But I probably will try the Waterfall at some point. If y'all have tried that, let me know what you think of that scent. And I got 2 of those, so probably gonna be in a giveaway. Alright, so this is everything I got, and I wanted you to see what I actually got for free. So everything right here is what I got for free, and this is everything that I paid for. I think I got a decent amount for free, especially because the Caldrea is more pricey. I hope you all enjoyed this video and just seen a little bit of what I got in my first order. Again, I have shared links below that will get you some free products, so make sure you go ahead and click on over if you're interested in making your first order with Grove Collaborative and using more natural cleaners throughout your house and just making cleaning more fun. Like, that's what I'm most excited about, is I feel this is going to make cleaning like so much more fun because of the fun fragrances, and you don't have to feel bad about breathing it in like you do with Windex and that kind of stuff. So as you can see, I got a lot of stuff for free, and I got quite a bit that I'm going to be giving away. So please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my upcoming cleaning videos, because that's when I'm going to be giving these away. So yes, I'm actually about to start a decluttering series on my channel. I've been thinking about that for months now, and what I want to do is go through each room of my house, and I'm going to just declutter and get rid of junk and just reorganize how I have our house set up. So yeah, I'll definitely be giving away some of these products during those videos. So if you like this video, it would help me out so much if you would give it a thumbs up, and I really do hope that I'll see you really soon in my next video. Oh, and before you go, leave me a comment below to let me know you watched this video. That means the world to me, and it really is what keeps me making these videos, because I know you all are watching them and enjoying them, and I just really like interacting with y'all in the comments. So leave me a comment saying hey, or letting me know if you've tried some of these before and what you think, or if you're looking forward to the giveaways or are going to be making your first order. I would love to hear any of that from you all. So that's gonna do it, and I'll see you really soon. Bye!